Hi, I'm Katie Linden-Felsler, and I'm honored to be one of the practitioners here at Hope Clinic. I'm a music therapist, reflexologist, and sound healer. And the Bonnie method of guided imagery and music is one of the methods I use working with people who may be going through different life transitions, relationship issues, making big decisions in their life, grieving for all sorts of interpersonal reasons, or even just looking for inner wisdom and their own personal growth. Guided imagery and music session starts with us having some dialogue, as is typical in any therapy session, checking in about what might be going on for the person and the client, and then starting with a relaxation induction, just kind of going into that deeply relaxed state so that we're opening ourselves up to what might come during the music. After the person is deeply relaxed, a sequence of various classical music pieces are played, usually 4 or 5, and the music helps bring us into these deeper places in our inner psyche where maybe there's interesting wisdom that's revealed. Sometimes it's symbolically through imagery that is almost like being in a dreamlike state. Images might come. There might also be experiences of sensations in your body or feelings, just staying in the moment, in the music, and allowing whatever might be there in our inner psyche to be revealed. After the music has come to an end, the person is invited to create a mandala just on a circle of paper using oil pastels. And we say it doesn't mean you have to be an artist. It's kind of just allowing the colors to choose you in a way, and another way of representing what has come through during the music. And then we process what the experience was like and what might have been there for the person. And I reflect what I've witnessed and also ask the client to share kind of what came up for them through that imagery experience with the music. It's a very deep therapeutic process, music-centered, and from that lineage of psychology that Carl Jung brought our awareness to our inner imagery and dreamlike states, and a powerful way to work through different situations that might arise for a person.